What's up everybody, it's your boy Emma Graphics right here. So today we are going to create a polygon tools, or a ball rather, a ball, okay, football, normal football. I'm going to show you how to design football using polygon tools in CorelDraw. Alright, so without any further ado, let's jump into it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because if you don't subscribe you will not understand what we are doing here. So kindly subscribe to my channel and then let's go. Alright, so this is my CorelDraw, and I believe you already know how to launch your CorelDraw. Okay, by now you should be able to know how to launch your CorelDraw, and if you don't know, it's because you have not subscribed to my channel. Yes, truth be told, you have not subscribed to my channel. That's why you don't know how to launch your CorelDraw. Alright, subscribe to my channel and you will know how to launch your CorelDraw. So without any further ado, let's jump into our tutorial. So remember, we want to create a ball using polygon tools like I said. So this is our polygon tools. What you have to do, you click on it and then you click and drag. Alright, holding the control shift or control key rather on your keyboard. So right, you click and then you drag and leave it to that. Alright, so what you have to do is to reduce this, alright, so that we will be able to duplicate. So now what you have seen on the screen is the polygon tools have 1 2 3 4 5 edges. So what we have to do, you add 1 to it to make it 6. Alright, so this is how we want it to look like, so that we'll be able to use it to do what we want to do to create our ball. Alright, so I'm going to duplicate this. So what we have to do is you click on it and then you move it to the right while holding down the shift key on your keyboard. You hold down the shift key, you click it and move it to the right. Then you right click on it before you release your hand from the mouse. Alright, then you click Ctrl R from your keyboard to duplicate the same thing. Alright, Ctrl R, continue to duplicate it until you have 5 on your keyboard. 1 2 3 4 5. Alright, so we have 5 on our keyboard. Alright, without any further ado, let's duplicate this. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate this again so that we will be able to have enough polygon on the screen, so that we can use it and do what we need to do. So I will duplicate this. So what I will have to do next is to add color to it. So I'll click on the first one and then click on this second to the last one over here. So click the first one, you can click and hold down the shift key, you click on the second to the last one, and then you come to the second line and then click this particular one, the second one, then you click on the last one. Alright, so I click here, click this particular one, click this one, click this one, then I apply black to a black color. So black color you can apply from this color palette by your right. Alright, so you can see my cursor, my mouse over here. I move my mouse to this place, so I apply a black color to it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select all. Alright, so I will select all, then duplicate this. Alright, so I'll select all and hold down the shift key and drag it down. Alright, like that, and then you drop it there by clicking your right, or by using the right mouse, right click on it. So you duplicate it again by clicking Ctrl plus R, so that we can have enough boxes to be able to use produce our ball. So now you click on the circle, you hold down your shift key, click the circle, hold down your control key rather, hold down the control key and drag, so that we will be able to have circle there, and you move it to the center. Alright, move it to the center, and you leave that to that. Alright, so the next thing you will do is to go to effect. After doing that, you go to effect, click on effect, come down and click on length. As you can see, you can use all F3 using your shortcut from keyboard. It will give you the same result. So I choose to use my mouse, go to the effect dialog box so that you'll be able to follow up. So you click on it. So now we have our dialog box, we have our box displays here. We have, this is length dialog box. So what you have to do is to come down and choose fish eyes. All right, no, not normal fish eye, like the fish, normal fish that we used to eat too. All right, so this one is for the system, whatever it means to the system, that is what it is, and that's what you have to click. Fish eye, I click on it and I apply. So once that is done, you have what we call football. All right, apply. Okay, sorry, click on frozen, then apply. Don't forget to click on frozen and then apply. And once you click on this fish eye, click on frozen here, then you apply. Okay, so now we have our ball. So you can delete this while you bring this to the center so that you'll be able to see what you are doing. So we were able to create ball using polygon tools in CorelDraw. Thank you for staying tuned to the end, and please subscribe to this channel because a lot of tutorials are coming in. Thank you, and like this, don't forget to like this video so that other people can benefit from it, can also see the video as well. Thank you so much, and stay tuned. Another videos are coming in space.